Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to pin or unpin message in WhatsApp. So you can open your chat. So what is pin message? A message that stay at the top of a chat for easy access. So you can pin up to 3 messages for a set amount of time like 24 hours, 7 days or 30 days. So you can select your message like this. We select on top, you see 3 dots, so click on it, and then you see pin, so again click on it. Now you see choose how long your pin lasts. You can unpin at any time, 24 hours, 7 day, 30 day. We select 7 days and then click on pin. Now you see when we scroll up or down, that message is pinned on top, so click on name server type. Again you see message. Now we are going to unpin this message. Again tap on it. Now you see message is selected. On top you see 3 dots. So again click on it and then you see unpin. So click on it. So this message is unpinned now. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.